So many questions that I wanna ask.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for a super motivating, satisfying clean with me video. This is just an old school speed clean with me. I haven't posted one of these on my channels for the longest time, and if I'm going to be completely honest, I'm not sure if I'm going to post any more of these ones on my channel. Just looking to take this channel in a different direction, but I'm going to chat more with you about that in Sunday's vlog video. So just sit back and enjoy. I will chat through bits and pieces here and there, telling you what I'm using or what I'm doing, but it is pretty self-explanatory, and then it's just to motivate you if you need a little nudge in the right direction to get your house cleaned up today.
Complete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just say, no say, with me, I'm in. Complete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down?
So typically I will clean my house just doing a little bit every day, but there are certain things like changing the sheets that I do on particular days each week. And this week, since I had been moving a bit of furniture around the house, if you'd watched in my Sunday vlogs, you might have noticed that. I just thought the house could do with just a nice dust, vacuum, mop, thorough clean all in one day, just to get it back reset, and so everything was clean at the same time, and then moving forward it's just much easier to pick up and maintain on a daily basis.
Just leave, no stay with me. I'm in. Complete. I got mixed emotions.
Alright, check this out. This is something I saw. It was a TikTok posted on Instagram. This lady had just taken these tissues from the box. You take them out, you fold them in half, and then you just pop them inside like a jar or a vase, and it literally just becomes a tissue holder. It's like so cool. The thing is, you don't want to have too many of them in there that it's jamming them in so tight that you can't get any out. So you want to kind of have them like loose enough to be able to pull out, and then they just keep like coming like a little box of tissues.
Complete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed
I picked this little essential oil diffuser up from Kmart recently. It was super affordable, $20, and I've literally used it pretty much every day since I've got it. It makes the smallest amount of essential oils, just literally one drop. It makes it go through the whole entire house. It's absolutely amazing. I used to use a traditional kind of oil burner with the candle, the tea light candle in, that I also got from Kmart. And I love that. It looks aesthetically so cute, but for the smell and the dispersion of the essential oils, I highly recommend even getting a cheapy $20 diffuser from Kmart. They do the trick so much better.
It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better.
I have had quite a few people ask me if I have any rhyme or reason to my cleaning cloths in my home. I do try and designate certain cleaning cloths to cleaning the grimier things like floors and toilets and bathrooms and things like that. And I always make sure that I use separate cloths for cleaning the kitchen and kitchen sink to anything else that's used for cleaning the house.
It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving.
When it comes to washing my house cleaning cloths, I always wash those separately, and I will even wash ones that I've used to clean anything really messy, like if Freddie has a mess or cleaning the toilets, I will wash those separately in a hot kind of bleachy solution with a disinfectant separate to anything else. And then as I'm cleaning, I just take everything like towels, bath mats, put those in a basket so they are ready to go through the wash throughout the day. Now, I also had quite a few questions about this. Some people see me putting my coffee pods in the freezer. I only do that to keep them all together until I have like a full bag that I can take to the local supermarket where they recycle coffee pods. I am actually in the market now for a bean to cup coffee machine, so I'm looking and doing some research on that just so I don't have to use those coffee pods anymore. And then I'm just getting together all of our soft plastic recycling because I'm heading off to the shops the afternoon of filming this video, so I want to just have everything ready so I can take it back and then take it with me. Also in this video I was trying to use up all of the dregs of my very close to finished cleaning products because it is one of my goals this year to get through the majority of my cleaning supplies and have a much smaller and more curated collection of cleaning supplies.
But the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too.
I love so much seeing Freddie pop up in all of my cleaning videos. He literally is my little shadow. It was his gotcha day, which means that we got him 12 months ago yesterday, which was just incredible because the time has just flown by and it's so hard to believe that we've had him already for a year. It's just crazy.
Like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain.
I love having a clean and shiny sink. Honestly, using a cream cleanser to clean your stainless steel sink, nothing is so satisfying as a super clean, shiny, dry sink. It is honestly one of the biggest impacts that I think you can have in your kitchen. And when you give it a really good clean, you don't notice how dirty it was to start with until it is spick and span spotless clean.
We letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. But the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. And you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please. Daydreaming feels like I'm fading away, and I wonder why no one ever stays. How am I supposed to spend my
Now it might look like I'm just brushing over these and not even cleaning them, but I had just moved these out, I think that morning or maybe the morning before. So I'd already given them a good clean, and so they just needed a really quick surface wipe down. These DAISO gloves are literally my new favorite cleaning thing. They are so handy. They trap so much dust, and they actually trap the dust without it just flying around everywhere, which is awesome. Literally $2.80 from DAISO. Way better than your traditional duster like here in this clip.
next bus? Oh, daydreaming, we're filled with too much doubt. Daydreaming,
And as I mentioned earlier, I just pop all of my cleaning cloths in the wash together, excluding anything that I have used to clean the floor or the toilet or anything that maybe Freddie has had a spill or an accident with. They just go separately in their own separate hot wash. Empty. This will be empty by the time I finish mopping the bathrooms. This is so close to being empty. It's got the tiniest little bit in the bottom. I guess I'll just put that in the bathrooms and use that up over the next few days. So that is good, because one of my goals was to really downsize the amount of cleaning supplies that I have. I've got a ridiculous amount. I guess not so much if you've got like a cleaning channel on YouTube, but too many for my liking. So I really just wanted to use up all the ones that were closest to being finished first, and then just really downsize the amount that I've got at any one time. And then in here, I just have the ones that I am using up at the moment. So I'm gonna have to restock it with a few more things. And then this is just my kind of go-to, and then in the hallway cupboard I just have my extra cleaning supply backups, which I will just restock it from. Bulk ones, kind of, I was going to say special occasion cleaning products, but it's not special occasion, it's just like special purpose cleaning stuff. Like barbecue cleaners, carpet cleaners, mold cleaners, window cleaning, acetone, car cleaning, shoe conditioners, like just bits and pieces of cleaning stuff. So that one I probably won't be able to get rid of too quickly, but this one I definitely will be able to use up and go through. And then also this one with the bulk at the back, and then a couple of just different bits and pieces. Like there's a mold cleaner and a fridge cleaner, but these two are just surface sprays. And then just some carpet cleaner. I'll need to use that. Gosh, should I use that one? Yeah, I guess I'll use that one. And then this one. And then this one. So we can probably go through and condense these a little bit more, but that is a job for another day. Can we keep it clean for at least a day, Freddy Bear, please? Can we keep it clean? Keep your toys tidy, nice and clean.